Hey there, it's Christina Quick, the Tarot Biz Mentor, here from the Profitable Psychic Divination and Business Academy. Welcome. This is going to be our fourth video in our Etsy for Tarot Readers crash course. And so the last video, I talked about how to basically, talked about an overview of the listings, talked about how to use E-Rank and how to use your short tail and your long tail keywords in your topic titles and in your tags and in your descriptions. All right. So now you're probably ready to go ahead and start creating your first listing or start tweaking the listings that you already have. This would be a good time to tell you what you can and cannot sell on Etsy. There are some guidelines that I'm going to go over with you. So I just pulled up our house rules. This is from Etsy directly. And basically it says that they do allow some services, which are custom writing and design, modification, rentals, and divination and spells. So we're going to go ahead and check out divination and spells. Etsy welcomes a wide variety of divination and spell-related items as long as they meet our seller policy. Tarot, psychic, and other divination readings must include a tangible good, such as photos of the tarot spread, an audio or video of a reading, or the text of a reading. You may deliver the tangible goods through Etsy messages or through the client's email. Supplies related to spell work, such as herbs, crystals, and spell books, may be sold in their appropriate categories. However, spell supplies may not offer metaphysical outcomes, which we consider prohibited services. So this would be like, buy this kit and attract your twin flame, or buy this spelled oil and you'll make $1,000 in 24 hours, something like that. You can't give those metaphysical outcomes. So, there are metaphysical service which may not be sold in our marketplace. There is kind of a way to go around this, and I'm going to explain that. Examples of prohibited metaphysical services include Reiki and distance healing, spell casting services, prayer services, ritual services, and any item with a metaphysical outcome, for example, attracting wealth, love, gambling, luck, more business, employment opportunities, or assistance with legal or relationship situations. Now, you can do, and so instead of doing Reiki and distance healing, what you can do is you can do a chakra reading or an aura reading, and you can say in your description that Reiki is a bonus. You could say that it's a bonus, it's a free bonus, it's complimentary, it's free, right? So spell casting, let's say, for example, you sell a love and relationship tarot reading and you want to incorporate your spell casting services in that. What you could do is you could offer as a bonus for free some type of spell casting service to them. So you could say your reading includes a free spell of your choice at no additional cost. This is free and complimentary to you. You could also say prayers are included into that. Rituals, I would just leave rituals out personally, unless you're creating like supplies to host a ritual. So you, instead of selling rituals per se, you could create like a box that includes everything they need to do the ritual on their own. And then you can also, once you get them to like your social media and once they start following you, then if you want to do like a public ritual or something, you can say that they need to purchase that box to be able to do that ritual with you. And then you would do like the ritual live on camera or something like that. So just some ideas. And you can't sell any spelled items. So, well, I mean, you can, but you have to be very careful about how you word it. And you have to make sure that you're not guaranteeing results, saying that if you buy this, this will happen. You can't say stuff like that. But there are different ways that you can kind of go around it. And I would recommend looking up if you want to sell spelled items, I would look up recommended, I would recommend looking up, excuse me, spelled items on Etsy and then seeing how other people, you could say things like this herb is, used in folk magic to allegedly attract love or something like that. You just can't say if you buy this, this will happen for you. Okay, so short video, but this is really important because I get a lot of my clients want to set up Etsy and they want to do Reiki on it. You can't do that, unfortunately. Can't charge for those services, but you can add it for free as a bonus. And just be aware, there are people, the Etsy staff, to go around and they do audit shops. So if they decide that they don't like how you've worded something or something, they will temporarily close your shop down and make you edit that and fix that. So worst case scenario, they just say, hey, you need to fix this, and then you fix it, and then, you move on from there. Other people have, you may go on Etsy and see many people offering Reiki or selling Reiki. Listen, it's a matter of time before you get caught. Okay, so so you're going to get caught by Etsy doing an audit, or you're going to get caught because there's other tarot readers that are going to go on there, and then or Etsy or Reiki people, excuse me. There are other Reiki people that will report your shop. So you can do it, but just be forewarned that one day you will wake up with your shop temporarily disabled and you will not be able to do that. So have a backup system. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to talk a little bit more about how to do your Etsy photos and how to get the thumbnail right, and some different ways that you can fill up all of the photo slots. And also, I'm going to talk about how to utilize the alternative description of photos when it comes to search engines, and how to name your photos in a way that will help you become more relevant in search engines. So I will see you in the next video.